Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today's video is about iPhone 16 Pro Max that I just got. I don't know if it's gonna look really cool, yes or no. I don't know, but do you have iPhone 16 Pro Max? And I believe you keep yours, and I'm gonna keep mine. You know, it's very cool with the iPhone, and you can't do no wrong with the iPhone 16 Pro Max because they're all packaging nice, sealed, and everything. I'm quite excited when I go the other now. And about to open it, I'm quite impressed to open it, exciting to open it because they're all cool, looking nice, tidying up everything. Look at that. They're nice and clean everything. So I want to open it with you guys. And I believe we are going to be liking it together. You're going to like it for me and I'm going to like it for myself because it's kind of cool iPhone. So let's open it. I'll be patient to open it quietly, gently. The seal is there, so let's go. Let's see how they're gonna look like. So I'm taking the seal off very gently, very quietly, very peacefully. So I'm the afternoon to open it, so very excited. So I don't want to drop it down, so it's coming. Look, you guys, let's open it quietly. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, you're not gonna do no wrong. Look at that. It's going well. Look at that. This is cool. Amazing. Look at that. I don't want to drop it. I hope I'm not going to drop it. Look at that. This is cool. This is amazing. Very nice. Look at that. The seal and everything. Look at that. Very clean. I'm opening. You guys can see how cool it is. Look at that. This is cool. This is amazing. I'm quite excited. Look at that. How many cameras? One, two, three. Look at that. The flash is all there. This is really clean. Look, the packaging and everything. Cool. You can't do no wrong with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And I like the color as well. Kind of black and kind of cool. A bit nice and smooth. This is really cool. When I'm getting the holder, I don't know how they're gonna look like. Now when I open it, quite interesting. It's quite exciting to open it, and the charger is there. So let's see what is in the bottom. Everything. Look at that. You can't do no wrong with the iPhone. Look at that. This is it. I'm quite excited as well. Look, this is it. Everything just cool packaging and everything cool, quite a nice pouch and clean. I like it. This is really cool. You know, when you get in the order, you don't know how they're gonna look like now. You open it, quite exciting, feeling cool, feeling happy about the iPhone. Look at that. Let me take it very gently. I don't want to drop it because I don't want to smash it. I don't want to you don't want to smash it. Look at the camera. Look at everything. Clean, tidy, nice, smooth. Look, very clean. Honestly, I'm quite happy. Can I make a call? Can I call you guys? Look at that. You can call me, guys. Hello? Is it okay? Yeah, it's a nice phone. I'm quite happy with it. I haven't turned it on yet. So it's going to be an amazing phone. Look at that. Very clean. Everything spot on. Very nice. Oh my God, look at that. This is cool. I'm quite happy with this phone. Very smart as well. You hold it, very cool. I think I got a case with it. I don't know where I put the case. It come with the case. I'm quite happy as well. They give me a case. I can put it with it. Quite nice as well. Very, very cool with the iPhone and everything. Kind of cool. Look at that. You can't do no wrong with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. They're all very nice, cool. The packaging, everything is there. Amazing. I can't wait to start using this phone because it's very light. It's kind of cool. Look, it's not kind of little. It's kind of amazing, and I'm quite excited as well. Very nice phone. You need to go and get yours as well. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Very nice, amazing, cooling, very clean. I haven't opened it. I can't wait to open it, turn it on, put my SIM inside, start using it. I'm gonna be excited and I'm gonna come back and let you guys know how is it working. And I believe it's gonna be working nice and amazing because you have yours. You'll be enjoying yours, and now I'm gonna be enjoying mine as well. You're all gonna be happy. You see why? When I get good stuff, I want to share you with you guys because when you win, I want to win. We all winning because I don't want to be greedy. I get iPhone 16 Pro Max and I don't show you guys to go and get yours as well because when you get yours, you're gonna be feeling happy because now I'm feeling kind of cool, smiling, happy, and you too, you're gonna be happy when you get yours you might have yours already. So now I'm getting mine. So we all happy together. You winning and I'm winning because it's good to have this iPhone 16 Pro Max. Look at that. Very clean, very nice packaging. Honestly, the packaging is the most like kind of nice tidiness I ever seen. Look, it's taken on top of the screen, and they give me the extra case, the protect, and with the charges and another pin there. Look at that. They all looking really cool. Amazing, amazing. Honestly, I'm quite happy with these. Like I got these. Look at that. This is really cool. Amazing. Does it not look cool? Let me know, guys. I think it look cool to me. Honestly, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is amazing. I'm quite happy I got the phone. Look at that. It's very cool. I'm quite impressed as well. Look, is it looking cool? The packaging iPhone. Thank you for the iPhone. Look at that. It's really cool, really nice as well. Amazing. The packaging and everything. Look at that. It's sealed very clean as well. I'm gonna keep these because you can keep him picking all the days away from the screen as well. Look at that. This is really cool and amazing. Look at that. You can just make it calls and stuff. Very clean and very light. So I'm quite happy and very full your hand as well. Look at that. You can hold your hand like kind of cool with that. Look, very cool. Amazing. I'm quite happy I got them. I didn't know it's gonna look really cool and I'm impressed as well. It's not very tight, not very too thick, very flat and very kind of handy. I'm quite happy with it, and you too, you're going to be happy with it as well. Amazing phone as well. Thank you for the iPhone again because I'm quite happy. You don't know when you go the older what how they're gonna feel like. You just put your mind goes on it like you just put your mind on it like it's gonna be looking really cool. But when you go there, when you open it, you see the way you're feeling. You're feeling kind of cool, kind of feeling happy. Is that you open it, you feel like kind of this is it. You not just waste the money and you kind of satisfied the way he looks. So that's it. And I understand when some people they can't deal with the holding things online and stuff like buying things. They have to go to the shop because I understand they might get the wrong stuff and all the wrong size and stuff, and they're not happy with it. So, and when you get the order and you open it, you feel happy. You feel like kind of you are the lucky on the planet. And I'm quite happy as well. Look, does it not look cool? It look amazing. You need to go and get yours as well. iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's amazing. I'm quite cool with this. Look, this is really amazing. Look, amazing. Everything just cool together. Does it not look cool? It look cool. The screen and then everything and the camera. Everything just cool. The app is there. The logo is there at the back. Look at that. This is really cool and amazing. Look, can you guys see it properly? Very nice as well. Very cool. I like it. The color as well. Very cool color. Not too dull, not too boring, not too kind of shiny. Everything just sleek and nice, and I'm quite happy the way he look. Thank you for the iPhone for making this phone be a good phone for me and for you guys. And you need to go and get yours. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you got them already, so just happy to use it, and I'm happy to start using mine as well. And we're happy as well. Nice phone as well. Amazing. So this is kind of the phone you need. When you have this kind of phone, you feel kind of cool, like kind of smart because it's kind of technology these days in the advance and everything. So this kind of phone, iPhone 16 Pro Max, that's what you need. And it will take everything to the next level. And I'm quite happy. And when I'm start using it, I'm gonna protect this. I'm gonna keep it safe, put inside another screen protection on it as well. So I think it came with the one, so I'm quite happy. So you need to go and get a screen protector as well if you don't have one because you don't want to drop it and smash the screen as well or the back. So when you put on the screen protector, you protect everything. The screen smash, you won't smash the screen, you will smash the screen protector. Then you can change it and get a new one. Then you still look cool with the phone and everything. So I'm happy. So this is really cool. So this is a good day for me, and it's gonna be a good day for you when you get yours as well. And I know you already have yours as well, so it's already been good day for you all this while. So let's just happy together with this phone. So you happy with that and I'm happy, yeah. So that's cool. And if you haven't get yours as well, go and get yours. iPhone 16 Pro Max, amazing phone as well. Very cool. And one thing I'm quite happy with it, the way they pocket, the way they seal, very kind of clean, classic, and look, I'm quite excited, already. The charger is there, the pin to pull the time where you're about to pull your SIM card, the side where you're gonna pop it in and pop it out and slot the SIM inside, and that's cool as well. Slotting in, look at that. This is really cool. The case is there, everything amazing, and the color case as well, very clean, very nice. Look, the apple is there, and I like it. Why did I just like this phone so good? I'm quite impressed. I'm quite kind of feeling in a kind of good vibe with this phone. I'm loving it already. I haven't opened it, start using it. I'm already loving it. What about if I put it same and again using it? So I'm kind of feeling all over the moon. Like kind of feel happy, cool as well. So you need to go and get your, trust me. You with mine right now. I'm feeling cool. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling cool with the phone. Look, it's very looking really cool as well. Look, very smart as well. Look, very amazing phone. Cool. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Go and get yours as well. You won't regret it at all. I believe you won't. You already have it already. You start using it. So you'll be happy with it. So what do you think? Do you like it or not? Let me know, because I like this already, because I can feel it. I'm feeling the vibe already. It's very cool phone, amazing phone as well. When you get them, you're gonna like it, because I'm liking it every time I pick it up and put it down. I quite like kind of liking it more. I don't want to leave it. I just want to hold the whole day, like kind of keep it to myself, like kind of cool with it. It's a nice phone as well. So I don't know if you're going to like it or not, but now I'm liking this phone already, because it's amazing phone. I believe you're going to like it. Just go and get yours as well. Very nice phone as well. The sign and everything, the logo, the cleanness of it. And I'm gonna protect this phone as well. Very clean and sleek as well. Look, very cool phone. Amazing. Very nice and clean and smooth. Oh, I like it. Look, with the packaging and everything, the box. Look, does it not look cool? It does. Look, I don't want to drop it, and I think I'm not gonna drop it, because I'm gonna protect this phone, because it's all good. Look, this is amazing. Does it not look cool to you? For me, I think it does. But if it doesn't, maybe I'm wrong. But I don't think I'm wrong with this phone right now, because it's in my hand, and I'm quite liking it. Look at that, very light as well. I'm gonna be happy with this phone, because it's kind of cool phone to hold and to have as well. You need to go and get yours as well. And if you get yours, and I'm happy with you for having yours as well. So I got mine now, so it's kind of cool and a good vibe as well. Look at that. Very cool. Now I'm on black leather jacket, and everything just cool together with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Very nice phone as well. Can I ring you guys? I'm ringing you back again, guy. Hello, do you like the phone? I think I like mine, so I'm not going to return it back. Are you going to return yours? No, I'm keeping mine. Same, me too. I'm keeping mine too. So that's amazing. Take care, guys. And I'm liking it. This is really cool, an amazing phone as well. Cool. The vibe. You look. Does it know if you even started making a call or text, the phone can feel cool, can feel stylish as well. It just complement the outfit as well. Look at that. Does it not complement my outfit? Everything just cool together with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Amazing. Honestly, this is really cool. I like it. Amazing. Look at that with the flare trousers and with the back jacket. Amazing. I cool with the iPhone 16 Pro Max with my sunglasses. Everything just amazing together. iPhone 16 Pro Max go with everything. Every outfit you put on, you look amazing. You look smart together with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Look at that. Very clean as well. Amazing. Look. Just keeping shiny, sleeky as well. Honestly, I'm happy I got this over. If I didn't order this, I wouldn't be happy. I would be kind of feeling kind of down with myself. Now I go there, I'm quite happy, because the way the phone feels, my heart, I'm feeling kind of emotional right now. Like I'm quite happy I made the decision. If I didn't make it, I'm not gonna be happy. Let me have my tea drinks a little bit to feel kind of cool because I'm feeling kind of good vibe. So I need my tea to calm myself down a little bit because I'm feeling cool all the time because of this phone. Amazing, amazing phone as well. You need to go and get yours. Trust me, you won't miss it and you won't regret it. Trust me, get them. And I believe if you have it already, you've been like enjoying it. So me too, I want to join it. You as well. Enjoy my phone as well right now. I can't wait. I'm gonna start using it today now because amazing phone to have. So I don't want to keep you back inside the box. I'm gonna start using it right now because it's amazing phone. So you need to be happy for me because I'm already happy for you because you have yours already. So it's amazing phone. This is cool phone to have. I'm feeling cool. Honestly, when this is the kind of phone you want to have, and when you go and you feel a bit more emotional having it, then you're feeling kind of cool with the way everything going, and then you can't even stop. And then when you're thinking about, can I drop the phone down? No, you don't want to drop it. You want to keep in holding it all the time. Look, I'm kind of holding this phone even when I want to go to anywhere. I'll go with it. Inside the rain, anything. I go with this one because I kind of feel cool to hold it. I don't want to leave it because it's a nice phone. iPhone 16 Pro Max is amazing. So let's thank the iPhone again. Thank you, iPhone, for making everything cool, for making the right phone, coolest phone that you can have. Thank you, iPhone. I'm happy. I got mine. So thank you, iPhone again. I keep on thanking iPhone because they make the cool, nice phone that you can have and they go my outfit. So I'm quite cool with it. So what do you guys think? Do you like the iPhone 16 Pro Max or no? Me, I like it, but I don't know. Go to the comment section if you like it or not, and I'll be happy. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video to the loved one, family, and friend, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you lovely and amazing, cool and beautiful, handsome people another day. Take care.